Dear students, from grains, atta, dalia, suji, maida are obtained to cook many dishes. Do you know wheat or other crops are obtained after extreme hard work? So today, let's know about this in lesson 23 from field to plate. Mani was very happy because he had planned to go to his maternal grandparents during vacation. He reached their house with his mother. He met them and his mamaji said, "I'm going to the fields on tractor. I have finished the harvesting of Rabi crops and now I have to prepare the soil for sowing Kharif crop." Mani asked, "What are Rabi and Kharif crops?" Then Mamaji told him, "The crops like wheat, mustard, and the chickpeas, which are sown in the month of October and harvested in the month of April, are Rabi crops. And the crops sown in the month of June, July, and harvested in September, October are known as Kharif crops. For example, paddy, maize, etc." Mani accompanied his Mamaji to see how the seeds of crop are sown. Nanaji was already in the fields. He told Mani, "There had been a time when we used to plow the fields with bullock-driven plows. Nowadays, bullocks are only used to carry fodder or manure. Now, tractors are used in fields. The works which were completed in months are now completed within a few days. Now, the plow is attached with tractor and the field is plowed. With the help of roller, the soil lumps are broken." Mani asked, "Why are the workers filling the compartments with so much water?" Nanaji told him, "Your Mamaji is preparing field to sow paddy crop. The field should have enough water standing in it to sow the paddy crop. After sowing the crop, it is irrigated from time to time because the plants need water to grow. Tubewell is used for this purpose. Water is rushing out and flowing into the fields." Persian wheel. There is one more well which has now dried up. There had been a time when this well irrigated the fields with the help of bullocks. Some important agricultural tools are tractor, plow, seed drill, and suhaga. Mani asked him, "What is that man doing in other fields with a bag on his back and a gun-like thing in his hand?" Then Mamaji explained, "He is spraying an insecticide on the crop. It will kill the insects which attack the growing crops. Some other plants like grass, bathu, chalai, gulli sita, they also grow along with crops which are called weeds. So weedicides are also sprayed to remove them. To replenish the minerals of the soil, some fertilizers are also added to soil after irrigation." Organic farming. In organic farming, all the natural substances are used which are not harmful to both humans and environment. In organic farming, manure, compost, and vermicompost is used instead of chemical fertilizers. A solution is made by grinding neem leaves, garlic, green chilies, and tobacco leaves to spray as an insecticide. We should practice this kind of farming. Then Mani asked, "What will you do after the crop is ready?" Mamaji told him, "When the crop is ripened and ready for harvesting, we cut it with the sickle. The harvested crop is gathered and tied in stacks. Then with the help of thresher, grains and straw are separated." Nowadays, combined harvesters have made harvesting much easier. These combined harvesters cut the crop, and at the same time grains are also separated. This is really a hard work. So only that much food should be taken in plate which we can eat. We should not waste food. Okay students, now note down your homework. You will answer question number 4, 5 and 6 from page number 168, and you will also do fill-ups from page number 107.